What's up, guys? So this video is going to be about hostels. So yeah, I mean, I've traveled so many different places. I mean, I've traveled all over the world. Like, I'm up to like 60 countries or something right now. 48 out of the 50 states. I mean, I've did so many different things. So I've stayed at so many different places. I mean, I've tried just about it all. You know what I mean? I stayed, Airbnb, hostels, hotels, motels, couch surfing, crashing with people, you name it. Airbnb, definitely recommend that, but that's more if you got like a group of people or just you have a couple, then that's when it kind of pays off. If you're doing it like solo, if you want the privacy, I guess you can stay like a little cheap motel, a hotel or motel. You can even hostels too. They have like single rooms sometimes, and you could probably get a pretty decent price, better price than you would at a hotel, motel. Um, but if you're going to be doing long term, you want to save a few bucks and you want to meet people. That's the biggest reason why I do it, is because you get to meet people. Um, just so many people from all around the world doing the same exact thing. They're just trying to save a few bucks or just meet people or both, and stay at hostels. And usually hostels are so much better at giving out information too. A lot of times they're like connected with like the local community, so they'll have like the maps and coupons and like all these different activities that are going on, walking tours, and they're usually really helpful too. So definitely recommend it. And how to do it the best way, the way I do it, the way I've been doing it for years, and I highly recommend it, is going on Hostel World. Hostel World is by far the best. So you go on there, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you just put in where you're going, the dates you're going, how many people. Then you can even sort it out from price. If you're looking for the cheapest price or the highest rating or whatever, or type of area you want to go into at the country you're going. Yeah, so you just pick the best one, and you go ahead, just put your credit card in. They'll take a deposit, and you just pay the difference when you get to the hotel. Like I said, they're great. Totally trust them. It's yeah, for sure. So they usually give you like some type of follow up email, like with the map, and just kind of confirm it and everything else. So you just take the directions down. I screenshot everything, just in case there's an issue. I usually don't have a problem, but I ran into a few problems where they'll like try and hit you with like this crazy like 20% tax or something, and I'll be like, well, it says taxes included, or like they'll give you like the wrong room. They give you like a 16-person room instead of like your own room or 4-person room, whatever, and you just show them, you're usually pretty good. But like I said, it's usually really good. Usually don't have any problems, but just in case. And also I do it with the directions. And then with Google Maps, I'll snapshot that or download it. But usually just about everywhere around the world, you can get free Wi-Fi, especially at like the train stations and the airports and stuff. So usually pretty good. I also recommend not booking more than like 3 days or so at a time. Because you're kind of taking a chance. Some people book like 1 week, 2 weeks, or their whole stay at the same place, taking a bit of a chance. Sometimes you'll run into a place that has like thin walls, or they could have, I don't know, maybe you could smell people cooking, or maybe, I don't know, something could just bug you. And so yeah, you're better off going like three days at a time, and then just extending as you go. That's what I do. Works for me. I mean, do whatever you want, but definitely works for me. I would recommend it. Yeah, just got into a new hostel, and I just wanted to show you guys around, show you guys a quick walkthrough, and just see what a typical hostel looks like. All right, so here we go. All right, so I just Google mapped way over here. Okay. So I already checked in and did everything. I got permission to film. Really cool people. So you can see, so here we are, second floor. So then, TripAdvisor recommended too. Really good place. Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Really cool people. So this is it. Yeah. So this is the hostel. It's a typical hostel. Usually have some type of community room. In this case, we have a couple of cameras, a little couch. So just kind of area people can kind of get together and just kind of relax. Usually also have some type of water dispensers, unique to Taipei. Actually unique to Asia. I've seen a lot of this. So you get like hot water, cold water, lukewarm water. So that's pretty cool. So a lot of people make like soups and teas and stuff. So yeah, and they usually give out maps too. I don't know if you noticed, there was actually a little map back there. So this is my room here. This is 205. So here we go. So this one actually has, this is a pretty good lock. So it has the little card. I actually have it already inserted. My bed, I'll show you in a sec what I mean. So I usually just put the little card right up to that door and it'll just click open. I'm sure you guys probably already been to a lot of hotels that have that. So this one has AC and a fan. So if we wanted to, all of us would just have to agree on what to set it at. Sometimes that could be a pain, but usually people are pretty cool. So in this particular case, we actually need to back up. In this particular case, there's actually 4 units. It's really tough to film here. Sorry guys, really tight. So you can see this the little hallway here, and we have 4 bunks. This one's mine, 05. So this is kind of like the capsule style, really cool. So you just get right in there, get nice and comfortable. Now usually it comes with some type of light, an outlet, and in this case there's actually some type of like I don't even know what you call it, but you have to put the key that you get or the card. That's the only way it works. So when you pull the card, when you leave, everything shuts down. I guess it's just their way for like conserving energy. So yeah, so now we have the bathroom. So in this case, we actually have our own bathroom, which is cool. Don't see that very often. They usually have a shared bathroom. So just a typical shower. This one's actually an enclosed shower. That's kind of different for Asia. Usually just kind of sprays all over the toilet and the whole area. So that's cool. So when you go to the bathroom, you don't have to like take your pants off so you don't get everything all wet. So that's convenient. Another thing too is in this case, like most places, you get soap and shampoo. So this soap is like gel soap. And if you have microfiber towel, you could just use that as a loofah or whatever, and then you could just wring it out and dry yourself off. That's what I always do. It works great. Yeah, so it's kind of crazy how some people, you know, their hygiene bags are as big as like some people's day packs. You know what I mean? It's crazy. I even have a little bit too much. I mean, really, you could just do with just like, I don't know, toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, shaving cream. I mean, even a lot of that stuff. I mean, you could just kind of pick it up as you go. They have like a lot of like single serving things around here. So, anyways, yeah. So this is the bathroom, and we also get a locker. This one is pretty good. So again, you just use the card, opens this up, so you can see 05 that matches up with my bed, and yeah. So that's my locker. Just throw my bag right in there, close it up, and I'm good to go. In this case, it comes with a couple of hangers too. You stay a lot of the time because usually people they'll dry their towels or underwear or whatever. So yeah, works out perfect. Hey guys, so that's a typical hostel. So you can get single rooms, doubles, 4, 6, 8, all the way up to like, I've seen them as high as like 20 and change. So the higher you get, the cheaper it is, but the more chances of you're going to run into an issue. You know, there's going to be funky smells. There's going to be people snoring. Yeah, chance of people coming in the middle of the night. People are usually pretty respectful, but why take the chance? I usually go like 4, 6. That's usually enough where I could meet some people and still be pretty comfortable. Works for me. So anyways, yeah, so that's it. So I hope it was helpful. And thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll make sure I get back to you. All right, thanks again. See ya.